Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dalam video kali ini, saya akan membuat video pembelajaran tentang personal letter. How to find main idea of paragraph. Dalam video ini, saya menggunakan platform WA dalam proses belajar mengajar dan menggunakan model flipped classroom. The first step, I will give greeting to my student. I said, Assalamualaikum, and ask their condition, how are you? Then, I give a YouTube link, so my students can watch and learn the material at home. I said, I'll give you a link of YouTube video about personal letter. Mudahnya menentukan ide pokok. You can learn it at your home and will discuss it at school. I gave them an instruction, but don't forget to make your notes in every step to this video. Now, let's watch the video.
Nah, sebetulnya apa itu ide pokok? Jadi, ide pokok itu adalah masalah utama yang dibahas dalam suatu paragraf atau ide awal, ide utama. Jadi gagasan yang masih dasar.
This is video in bahasa, so the student will understand it.
4 cara mudah dalam mencari ide pokok. Yang pertama,
then I will skip this video. Then I leave the meeting. And in other day, at your class, we will discuss at WhatsApp group. I start with greeting and ask their notes. Assalamualaikum student. I have sent you a video. Have you make some notes from the video? And they present their notes in WA group. One of the students give their notes. This is their notes. Notes, ada 4 cara dalam menentukan ide pokok. 1. Ambil langsung dari kalimat. And the other send the picture of her notes. This is the picture of the note. She write, mudahnya menentukan ide pokok. Ide pokok merupakan dasar dalam membentuk suatu paragraf. In this part, I will explain the main idea according to YouTube video. In the video, there are 4 ways to find the main idea of a paragraph. You can see an intake from bahasa. First one is take from the sentence. Then the second is you can reduce the sentence of the sentences. The 3 is you can conclude the main idea of the sentence. And the last is you can conclude the content of a paragraph. I think is the video in 4 way to find a main idea in a paragraph. In this discussion, I try to find out their comprehension about main idea. We ask them, what is main idea? Then, one of students replied, inti dari kalimat utama, sir. Then, I explain what is main idea. I also using bahasa in explain the material to comprehend the student clearly. Okay, student, I will explain about the main idea. The main idea of a paragraph is an author's message about the topic, and it is often expressed directly or it can be implied. Ya, jadi ide pokok itu merupakan pesan dari penulis. Ya, itu biasanya terletak di awal kalimat atau di akhir kalimat atau juga terletak implisit, tersirat. Ya, dan kita harus mencarinya dengan membacanya dan mengerti dari setiap paragrafnya. And I will explain how to find the main idea. The first one, read the entire paragraph carefully. Ya, jadi kamu baca setiap kalimatnya dalam paragraf dengan hati-hati. The second one, pay attention to the first sentence until to the end. Ya, jadi perhatikan setiap kalimat dalam paragraf itu dari mulai awal sampai dengan akhir. The third, read the sentence by sentence until you find the main idea of the paragraph. In a paragraph, the main idea usually lies at the beginning and at the end of the text. Ya, jadi kamu baca setiap kalimatnya sampai benar-benar kamu tahu apa ide pokok dari paragraf itu. Dan biasanya juga ide pokok itu terletak di bagian awal paragraf atau di bagian akhir dari paragraf. Then the fourth, mark the main idea of each paragraph. Dan yang keempat adalah tandain ya kalimat yang merupakan ide pokok dari paragraf itu. And the last one is mark important information in paragraph. Jadi tandai juga informasi penting ya atau informasi lain yang penting di paragraf itu. When they have understand the point, I give them an example to discuss. Now I give them an example of personal letter. This is the example of personal letter. I said in last meeting, we have learned about social function, structure text, and language feature of personal letter. And now we are going to find what is the main idea of paragraph. The student have understanding the step to find main idea in a paragraph. Then I ask them to find what is the main idea of the first paragraph. Can you mention the main idea of the first paragraph? Bisa disebutkan ide pokok dari surat itu? I gave them an instruction to look again the step how to find main idea. One of the student answering, ungkapan terima kasih untuk hadiah ulang tahun. I said you are right to give her a good response. Then I asked the student, what's the main idea put in the paragraph? They said di akhir kalimat, sir. So the main idea put in the last of the paragraph. I ask again, how about the second and the third paragraph? She said, the book is good. Paragraf kedua. She missed their togetherness. Paragraf ketiga. Then I said, I think you have understanding how to find the main idea in the paragraph. After the understanding the material, I sent a worksheet LKPD. Ya, kita udah sampai di akhir dari pelajaran kita. Nah, kira-kira apa yang bisa kamu simpulkan? Atau apa yang kamu dapat dari pelajaran hari ini? Then, in the end of the lesson, I took a reflection. The student replied, hari ini kita belajar ide pokok, sir. Then I complete the answer. Ya, bagus. Jadi hari ini kita telah belajar tentang pengertian ide pokok dan cara menemukan ide pokok dalam suatu paragraf. I close the lesson with closer. Well, that was for today. I will see you on the next day. Have a nice day and good day, children. And say greeting. Dan assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.